Hi there, this is Shafiq and you are watching Living Shafiq channel. In this video, I will tell you how to stop access from different apps you have installed on your system, their permissions, how you can revoke them. Let's check it out. So you can go to settings, then in the search bar, write for app permissions. Click on the first option you have. You have all the different sections of your phone where you can revoke and give access to all the applications you have and you want them to have access on this particular section. Like microphone, I can decide to revoke permission to camera, and this is the way I do it. The same case for other sections. You can give and take back permission to any app you have installed. This is super. This is very easy. Hope you like the video. Bye bye.